My name is Joshua Clement and I work for Lighty Contractors. And today I'm going to talk to you about horizontal drywall versus vertical drywall. Now most of the time, people in residential homes like to put their drywall horizontal. Why? Personally, I don't know. I like to put mine in the vertical state. When you run it horizontal, you have what's called a butt joint, where two ends butt together with no tapering. On these sides here, this drywall is actually tapered, so that way you can put your tape and your mud on there. When you have a butt joint, it's actually going to stick out further and you're going to see your joints a lot easier than if you taper them together. So when I run drywall, I like to stand it straight up. That way every joint is a tapered joint and I have no butt joints in the entire room. That way I can finish my drywall with a nice smooth coat rather than having a bubble in the wall where you try to make a butt joint. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about horizontal drywall versus vertical drywall. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.